Hey guys! So obviously this is going to be a really short video. I just went to Sephora today. I was actually really excited. I've never been there. Really, I haven't been there. The only store that I went to usually is Ulta. But I was like, I'm going to try it out, see what's going on. So I went over there. A lot of the Sephora products are on sale. Like the Sephora products are on sale. So I got 2 eyebrow pencils. I was like, man, I don't know what color I am. So I actually had the lady help me decide on what color I have or what color I should be. So she colored matched me and everything. So she was really nice about it. So I got 2 of the nutmeg brown. So I'm really excited to actually be able to test those out. And you know the funniest thing is I actually never signed up for the rewards. So I signed up and I guess I'm getting points. A lot of people don't like her products. I don't know why. I mean, I kind of do. So I got a lip liner of Kat Von D and I got the color Muse. So it looks really cool. I mean, I'm really excited. I don't wear a lot of lip liners anyway, so I'm just like, okay, whatever. I'm gonna just try it out, see how everything goes. So it's a really pretty color. It's like a really nudie pink. The packaging is super cute. So let's do a quick swatch. Ooh. So the pencil is I forgot to turn on my light. I got really excited. So the package or the color of it or the pencil is seriously really creamy. So I'm really excited to try it out. So I don't know. I've never tried a lip, so I'm gonna try a lip liner. Or, well, no, I have tried lip sticks. I just never really tried lip liners. And so I also applied for the JCPenny's credit card. And if you do, you get a free bag if you have it. I was like, I told the lady, yeah, I'm not going to get this credit card. I know that I'm not, but it's okay. Yeah, sure, I'll try it out just to get a free bag. So, here's the bag, and it has, the gold eyelashes and everything. It's super cute, nice little handle and everything. I mean, I love makeup bags, so I'm like, any way to get a free makeup bag, heck yeah, I'll get it. So I'm gonna, let's see what's in here. I'm really excited. So here is a Sephora cleansing wipe. So this kind of reminds me of boxes that I've seen being unboxed by people with the Sephora Play, which I've never gotten the Sephora Play boxes in my life yet. I mean, I have yet to really try it out and see how I like it. There's some people that are don't get it, you're not gonna like it, all that stuff. But I got the Sephora cleansing wipe. It's coconut water. Ooh, that sounds nice. So it's soothing and relaxing. So it only has 1 wipe in there, so I'm really excited to try that out. Maybe later on today. Here is something in bubble wrap. It looks really cute. It looks like a keychain. So this video is actually really going to be a short one. I hope not extremely short, but who knows? It's not up to me. It's up to how many products I have here. So this is so cute. Okay, so it has the keychain with a bee. I don't know. It looks really cute. And then another little keychain that came with this is it says honey. I'm so excited. Maybe I can be able to put this on here. I don't know. I have no idea. So that's really adorable. I really like that. All right, so the next thing looks like a lip. And oh my word, that is a really, it looks like, it doesn't look dark on here, but it's definitely, my ring's bothering me. It's a definite like brown color. I'm assuming this is called Bite, but the name of the color is called Chai, if it like focuses. I don't know, but it's called Chai. It's CHAI. So let's do a quick swatch. Alright, I mean, the color doesn't look too bad. So, I'll try it out. See how that goes. Alright, next thing is a lip pencil from the last product, Bite. So it kind of actually goes with the lipstick that came with this bag. So the lady never told me that I was going to be getting free things in this bag. So I'm really excited. I mean, expecting to purchase the few things that I had gotten. And then, of course, I got this. I was like, yeah. Like, I was feeling my thing, and I was like, oh, man, I'm getting stuff in here, too. I have to come on here and be able to show you guys. I was so excited. So today, I mean, today's my day off, including tomorrow. And I was like, I got called into work, or my job called in and asking me if I would possibly be able to work today. So just so you guys know, this is, I don't know what the color is. Oh, it's called 034. The pencil's like really nice and creamy too. I mean, I like it. So here is the pencil right there. It actually matches the lipstick that it came in this bag. So I'm really excited about that. All right, so the next thing is also called Bite, and this is called, the color is Glace. Okay. Oh. I'm assuming this is another lip. Ooh, man. And it matches also the lip pencil and the lipstick. So it's right there. That's actually really pretty, and it's like really nice and buttery and soft, so it's really nice. I like it. Of course, the salt thingies. Alright, so this is from Lange. I actually saw some of their products in their line, and I was like, oh man, I really want to try some of this stuff. I don't even know what it is. So you can tell that you're not going to get a lot of product. It's okay though. What is this anyway? So it's a sleeping mask. Sika sleeping mask. The directions is apply evenly across face, leave treatment overnight, and rinse off in the morning. Use once or twice a week. That's it. Use once or twice a week. So it doesn't have like a smell, but it's like a white. So I've never tried sleeping masks before, but I think I got a couple already in one of my subscription boxes. So I'm totally okay with that. I will definitely be able to try it. And then the really popular item that a lot of people get is Ultra Repair Cream. It's an intense hydration for dry, parched skin. So this stuff. There's a bigger bottle over in the line and everything, so. But yeah, like this is what I had to show for you guys, because if you don't have the JCPenny's credit card, of course, like, you can apply for it and you could possibly get it or not get it. It's whatever. And be able to, like, get a small bag of stuff, which will kind of probably not, more than likely will remind you guys of the like the Sephora play and stuff. So, and I've never gotten the Sephora play. I've been debating about getting it. So if you guys like, put it down in the comments. Like, do you guys recommend Sephora play at all? Do you guys love it? Do you guys hate it? Give me that kind of detail and everything. Give me that like and also that subscribe button if you guys like me and like the videos and the content that I like to show, or that I show. I am planning on doing some more unboxings this week or the end of this week. I have no idea. But remember that like and that subscribe, and also comment. I'm having a giveaway, so I'd love to give you guys the items that I have, and so you guys can be able to enjoy those products. I will see you guys soon. Bye.